Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get easy gems in Pet Simulator 99. Our first strategy focuses on maximizing your gem income by farming in the very last area you have unlocked. This zone offers the best drop rates for gems and valuable items. Remember to deploy fortune flags, which provide a significant 2.5 times gem boost. Additionally, equip powerful enchants like Diamond X and Treasure Hunter to further increase your overall gem and item collection efficiency. Next, let's talk about earning gems passively, which is perfect for when you are away from your keyboard. The daycare allows your pets to gather gems for you over time. For even greater rewards, place your valuable huge pets in the exclusive daycare. They can generate millions of gems over a 30-day period. Don't forget your Zen garden either. Plant those cheap diamond seeds and collect your bountiful gem harvests often. The Trading Plaza offers a dynamic way to earn massive amounts of gems if you play your cards right. The key is to master lobby hopping, where you search for items that other players have listed below their true market value. Purchase these undervalued items, then resell them for a healthy profit. Staying updated on current market trends and item values is crucial for successful trading. Finally, don't overlook the smaller, yet consistent sources of gems. Always pop any balloons you encounter. Purple balloons often drop mini chests, while blue ones yield large gifts, both containing gems. Also, make sure to collect rebirth chests scattered across the map. These chests provide extra loot and gems, contributing significantly to your overall wealth. Combine these methods for maximum gem gains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.